Hello, it's me again. Today I'm going to be unboxing an Flsun Delta 3D printer which I just received today. So let's look and see what we have inside. Nice packaging. Comes with the rails. It's 3 of them. With stepper motors are here. The belt is already on there, so you just have to probably tension it, I suppose. Two different type of mains. A USB cable. Scraper. And this is probably the fluid. And you have the instructions here. Very simple instructions. So we have the rods are in here. And we have, let's go try this out. The tube and the hot end here. Very nicely packed. As you can tell, that's the base up top. Let's move the box. Make sure there isn't anything in there. Oh. And there is your glue plate with extra bit of plastic. So just going to use here. So once I've built it, I'll do a step by step on how it's built, and then we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Check the other video. Subscribe, like, and you know what to do, the button.